おしゃいこ。お別れって寂しい。
The bike is yours or
No rent.
no? I mean, big car bike out there. Big big car's bike. You can share.
No. This is my bike.
Okay.
But I rent. Lek just uses his.
Because I have to back today, so can we go to fishing? Can I ride behind you?
What time do you have to give the bike back?
I think it's 8:30.
We should be home by 8:30.
Yes.
Why not?
Is it possible?
Because we're gonna go. We go 3 today and
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Maybe we stay 2 hours, 3 hours for the sunset. When it's dark, we go back. When it's dark, we go back.
No fire.
No fire.
Okay.
We make fire at home. Better.
At home, yeah.
How was that night? You sleep well?
No. I woke up at like 4 or 5 o'clock. We stuck and then the whole morning.
My neck is hard in the century. I don't know why.
Go and massage.
Massage.
Massage. Like 250 bucks. 450 bucks.
Yeah.
And sleep.
Can they fix it?
Yeah. They are good. Because they touch you.
But it's like muscle pain, you know.
Yeah, that's what they do, yeah. That's
They do.
speciality, yeah. You can go anywhere to get one. So, tomorrow you stay or you go? I go. You go? Maybe. Like
I already booked the hostel in Chiang Mai from tomorrow, yeah.
Oh, okay, so yeah, you don't want to...
I can cancel for free yesterday night, but it's already,
Enjoy.
Can you say again?
Bon appetit. Buon appetito. Natalie. Good.
明日帰るのでパーイ最終日。昼ロレンツォとジョージと一緒にご飯食って3時からまた釣り行くみたいなので、今日はホワイトテンポ1個ワット行って、その後合流して釣りかな。じゃあホワイトテンポバット行きます近い。バイクで6分。行きましょうか。もうフリー。今日もパーイはすこぶるいい天気です。パーイはね、朝結構曇りっていうか霧っぽいんだけどね、日が昇ってくると毎日この天気。あっちへ。おお、景色いいね。パーイほんま最高。もう大好き。明日離れたくねえ。もう全然あと 1,2 週間いたいわ、みんなと。ちょっと登ります。頂上落ち着きました。Look at the view. Wow.
I need to refresh it because it's not going very far.
You guys ready to fishing? Me sushi. Yeah.
Oshima. No.
Oshi-
Let's go.
Oshaiko.
Oshigo.
Oshaiko.
Yeah, just
So there's one there.
wait.
It's much more expensive than Thailand. I want.
I know, like, oh, you know.
You put lek in it again. Yoki.
What?
Put lek in it again.
Yeah.
No, that picture, that was...
You notice? So fast. It's very small.
think it was just
Yeah, you have
Thai and we
to watch.
translated it and
No,
it
I
was
just
spicy.
look at the figures and
Oh,
that's it.
little carrot.
I could see the sweat.
Yeah, when we left.
Last night in Pai.
Yeah,
I'd say
yeah.
no, that was
I don't wanna leave.
Everything.
I wanna stay
Yeah.
more
Some tiny bit.
with them.
Wait till the
離れたくないな、パイ。
drinking and it is spicy, just like plain sticky rice.
楽しすぎ
Yeah,
た。
just to calm down
Yeah.
the stuff.
Show me the carrot soup.
carrot soup.
It was really good, but this I don't know why.
You remember? Yeah, I forget. I forgot that. Thank you. 時間です。ああ、急がなきゃ。Lorenzo, I'm gonna leave. No, you can stay here.
Are they coming to pick you up here?
No, I go there by walk.
Do you want me to drive you?
You sure? Thank you. Bye bye, baby. Yum yum. Yum yum. Bye bye. See you again. Where's Erica? Gym?
She's just got to get another bandage. She'll be back in a second.
The bus is not the Japanese train, it's not on time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
You okay? Take care now.
See you soon, bro.
Take care.
Yeah.
Enjoy your travels. Have a fun
Thank you,
travel.
Erica.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
You guys too.
Enjoy the rest of your
So
travels.
so lovely to meet you guys.
It's lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Thank you for us.
Yeah, see you soon. Okay, sure.
Yeah, we'll see your adventures on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Miss you.
Thank you, Lorenzo.
Well done. You good?
Yep.
Yeah?
Wait. Let me check.
He was about to drive off.
Yeah. Hope so. Yeah. Thank you, Lorenzo.
No problem. Wait.
What's going on?
The wheel is moving.
Weed?
The wheel is down. No. That one? You see? It's down.
Down.
Yes, it's pushed. Automatic.
Okay.
Are you? Sorry.
No problem. Grazie. Take care.
Take care.
Bye bye. お別れって寂しい。すんごい濃い3日間やったな。What's time is it? Yeah, I have time. バスステーション向かいます。帰るぞチェンマイへ。2日間だけだけど帰りたくない。It is what it is. しょうがない。着きましたバスステーション。こいつで帰ります。帰ってきちゃいました。チェンマイだ。とりあえずしあさってのチェンライ行きのバスチケット取れるか確認します。その前にトイレ行きたい。チェンライ行きのバスチケットゲット206バーツ。なんちゅう微妙な数字。まあ、ゲットできたからいいや。ゲッチュ。チェックインから先か飯から先か悩むー。今パイ最高やったわ。この4日間しかおらんかった4泊5日だけどめっちゃ濃かった。この5日間楽しすぎた。濃い4泊5日間を過ごしてもらいました。濃いのかな、俺は濃かったけど映像的に見たらどうなんだろう。まあ、とりあえずもうパーイ最高。もう自然が今度はもう本当に 2,3 週間で行きたいね。4泊5日じゃちょっと足りなかったわ。コイン落ちたね。あれはパーイよりいいところがまたさらに見つかると、パーイぐらいいいところがまたさらに見つかるといいな。とりあえずホテルの方向に歩きます。 入って今です。で、あさって違うな、あさってか、あさってバスでチェンマイに行く予定なので、この2日間はチェンマイでちょっとゆっくりしようと思います。おやすみなさい。バイ最高でした。